Hi, welcome back to Vowel Teamwork. This is Miss Casillas, and we are working on our vowel team OA today. Our goal is to read words with vowel teams and notice the vowel sounds. Sometimes when I see a word with an OA in the middle, I'm not sure how to read it. The OA is called the vowel team because when the O and A are next to each other in the word, they're working together to make one sound. They're a team. Sometimes we say when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. So in this case, the O and A are next to each other and the O is first. So the O does the talking. So we're going to hear the long O sound. So if I read this word, I have the word coal. What does the vowel team usually do to this word? The vowel team OA says the long O sound. The O and A work as a team. The O does the talking and the A does the walking. So we do not hear the A. If I have this word, I read the word full. Instead of the short O sound, we have the long vowel sound O, because the O and A are working together as a team. The OA works together to make the long O sound O. O, full. Let's try these words together. Ready? Read with me. Oat, goal, oat. What vowel team did you see in all of these words? Good. These words have an OA vowel team in them. And what does OA say? O. Now you're going to read the word list, and you'll read one word at a time, and I will repeat the word after you so you can check your work. Go ahead and read the first word. Coal. Keep going. Full. Goal. Goat. Oat. Boat. Boast. Roast. Roan. And loan. Very nice reading. Now we're going to be reading these sentences, and all the sentences have OA vowel team words in them. So be noticing those as we read. We're going to read together, starting with number 1. Ready? Begin. Kay has a red coat. 2. A goat ate the man's hat. 3. We will go for a ride on the river in Bob's boat. 4. I can float in the water. 5. Sam's throat is sore today. 6. Tom drove down the road. 7. We will eat eggs and toast for breakfast. 8. Joan will wash her hands with soap. 9. A fat toad ate a fly. Croak, croak. 10. The men will load the boards onto the truck. So if we go ahead and look at the first sentence, I see an OA vowel team word, the word coat. The coat has an OA and we hear the O sound, coat. Number 2, I see a word with an OA vowel team. I see the word goat. Again, the OA makes the O sound, goat. You can write down the words that you found that make the OA vowel team and read them to someone. Then you're going to complete your seesaw activity. Keep working hard, it's going to pay off.